video together to say hello to existing shareholders and potential investors here in our gold mine project. A little bit about myself. I became aware of this gold mine project in 2012 as an entrepreneur and immediately went up to the site to evaluate it and move forward. I've been with the mining project since that point in time, just simply as an investor, but an investor that was very interested in learning about the gold mine process and actually seeing things in action. So I've been to the mine many times and seen activity, seen mining over the course of the years here. I'm very excited to be here, and I really believe that we have a legitimate gold mine that has tremendous potential. The geological assays show that we've got, in the range of 4 billion in gold, these studies that have been done. And I really recommend that you take the time to go spend some time on our website, which is oscigold.com, to really review this information carefully. And then get the equipment, bring the equipment, proper equipment in that is needed here, and then finish our geological testing on the parcel of MAV-G and begin to mine in that area on MAV-G. We're looking to be in full production by the month of, call it the end of March here, with everything in motion prior to that so that we can operate efficiently and hit our objectives, which is to really create a viable project here that does indeed mine and produce gold. So I believe that once we get past the surface layer of caliche, get down, we have 3 paleo channels on MAV-G, approximately 90 to 110 feet in depth. There have been extensive geological studies that have been done on that, and I do recommend, once again, that you go to our website, OSCI Gold, to review the information prior to potentially investing in this gold mine project, to really determine for yourself whether or not the geologists and the geological studies that have been put forth here, seem to be proving that and saying that we have, legitimate reserves on this parcel. So I'm excited about where we are, excited about getting things up to speed here in the upcoming year. We do have a TV production company that has expressed a genuine interest in documenting our project. That's something that really is very, very exciting. We'll see what happens and if anything manifests there. But we really have tremendous upside with this project. That's why I'm here. As I said, I've been with this project now for many years as an investor, and said, yes, I will step in to contribute to help move things along, to make sure that we're in full compliance with the things that we're doing here, and to create an efficient operation where we truly can process and mine, hopefully, a lot of gold.